Wagwan guys, welcome to another video. Sunday evening and we are make a drive, you know what I mean? So, there is a kind of prank reaction trending on the YouTube space right now. But me and Taya watched the video, so we know so really that wouldn't work for we, you know what I mean? But we know so we could still drop the video and incorporate a couple of our family members because they're not really up on the YouTube platform like how we up on the platform. You understand what I say? So I'm on my way to my sister's house now because I'm going to link up my brother-in-law. Me and Lataya are going to do a story time for him, man. We are going to deal with it cross, you know what I mean? Tell a bag of line night and see if I'm going to work with the program. You understand where I come from?
I don't know if he's going to work with that program though.
So, I can see how I'm going to deal with it, Star.
I'm very curious to see how he's going to respond though.
Yeah.
Like for real.
I don't know if I'm going to work with it, but we will see, okay? So just stick around. Like, subscribe, share, and leave a whole heap of comment on the video. You understand me I say?
Yep.
Big up on yourself.
Let's hope it's not a fail.
Nah. Wagwan people, welcome to another Papi Show video. So yo, you know say the story time thing a trend on YouTube. You understand what I say? So today, me and Lataya, we are going to do a story time, but it have a twist to it. This is my brother-in-law, his name is Junior. Been in my life from day one, you understand what I say?
Yep.
So we are going to do a story time with him about the day when Lataya and myself we got married. You understand? So we're going to talk about our situation, you know, how we felt about the day, you know, his point of view about, you know, the day as well. So, Oni, you have anything to say?
We'll just run right into it now.
Yeah, Oni, have nothing to say. You have nothing to say?
Yeah, just feel joy, happiness, knowing say my little son again, married.
Straight. Alright, so we'll get into it. So, first we're going to start off by saying, yo, listen, at the time when I get married, right? Trust me, something we dreamt of all along, Star. So, that I was actually in America already. She had to fly down for the wedding, you know, crazy anticipation. So, Oni, how you did feel coming down for the wedding?
Well, of course, definitely I was excited, nervous at the same time, but I was kind of, when Junior told me he was going to come pick me up at the airport, I was like, well, I thought Paul was going to come pick me up at the airport, and Junior was like, don't worry yourself, man, me I come for you at the airport.
So guys, just to shed some light on that, right? Junior have a limousine service company.
And whenever they tell me about it, and Junior, that was a big surprise.
Yeah, you know, when we're in Jamaica, that's how we swing. So we have to just know, say, the princess a come, we have to make sure, say, she live a princess life. And we get a princess welcome to Jamaica.
Definitely. Yes, so the boss, him do us the honors, you know what I mean? Limousine, go pick her up, beer things. Oh, you ever drive in a limousine yet?
No, actually, that was my first time.
Mad
My OIT,
Wow.
that was my first time ever driving in a limo. There was champagne. Everybody at the airport looked for me and I said, who the girl here or something? They say me, red carpet and think, me say, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, they never tell me, say, Junior big like this, the man a roll like this and whatever. You know what I
Yo,
say?
I was surprised him really offered. Me know say him didn't live that way there still, but me surprised him really offered. So that was a good gesture still. So, you know why make you did choose to offer us that kind of
Yeah, all these years, as what Ian said, me grew with me. So me could have said me have an extra son. Even though he's my brother-in-law, he really grew with me. So when he make a move, they say I get married. It was just my desire to say, well, I have to bless my son with something great. And that is the only surprise that me could have said, well, not only him you're blessed, but would have blessed the person who will call wife few days after.
Straight.
So it's just a big blessing. Like a Santa Claus come.
mad.
You remember you the carry go after we leave the airport, where to go? Pegasus?
Yeah man, we stop at Pegasus and yo, we had lunch at Pegasus. We never even know the Pegasus serve steamed fish and all these kind of things. The first time I go there, so Junior, you have some connection at Pegasus?
Yeah, because at the end of the day, me make sure say, when me hear say she a come, me make sure say, me ask you what type of fish So we actually get the biggest fish is like a 5 pound or 10 pound fish.
Yeah, me tell you that day was, woo, you couldn't talk to me that day, trust me.
Yeah, so if you know about Jamaica style, you know about like the steamed fish with the crackers and all them thing there. With the okra.
Yeah, man, we have to go big. We have to make, make me say, a lot of wedding day, so, you know what I mean? We have to make it very, very special. So, moving from the airport now, you don't know, we had wanted to get a wedding in a church, typical church settings and, reception somewhere else and everything, but Junior again stepped in and the man said, no, what kind of church, 5-star hotel. The man already booked the hotel for it. Yep. I was so surprised, the hotel already booked and their things. We just have to go up there and tell the people how much guests, select the kind of food that we want on the day. So that again was also another big blessing that for we. You understand me I say? Only you never expect that either, don't you?
Expect what? You don't even tell me the man of limousine service and all them stuff, man.
Yo, trust me. So hotel now, Pantapa, or you went about the hotel for Junior?
Yeah, because as we said before, everything when we want to try to do is like a king and a queen, a royal treatment. So I always visualize it. We say, one day come, would I want my daughter or my son? My son do it before, so me give my son that type of treatment. So that is how we come with that idea.
Guys, we don't have to dead to see how the whole thing set up. You see me I say, I tell you, like DJ, we not put no money upon, as me say, we have planned for church and a little reception area, the entire hotel. You see me I say, card off, the thing was just crazy. At that time I said to myself, she must have said how she get the wedding of her dreams them time. You understand?
It sure was.
Yeah, man,
thank you,
man.
Junior, because trust me, you made me feel like a princess. You made me feel like, whoa.
Yeah, but I was wondering how you think about me, because it's only drugs man roll like that.
Man.
So me I say, alright, let me introduce her where me work. That mean at the end of the day she don't have that negative
for real.
thinking.
So you don't feel
the only thing he used to tell me is that, he used to talk a lot about his brother-in-law and I say you're a hard worker, but he never really tell me what you did for a living, me I say. But then when I came to the airport and saw the limo, I was like, huh? You never tell me say him that big,
And then hotel.
And then you made changes, for the wedding location and all of that. Me I say, yo, wagwan, kind of start. I say, honey, something in a something, man. Man, just a roll up.
Yeah. For real, man, for real. So, yeah, so.
But I not complain, but they like it still.
But you not tell him about the pool.
Wait, what?
But you not tell him about the pool side.
Oh, God.
Yo.
Lockdown, Mr. The man buy drinks for everybody out of the pool.
Yo.
Food, me say, Junior. Yo, you know the thing the real way, me not lie, me didn't like it.
So how you get the poolside set up? How you get the...
Yeah, because when we go to the hotel, we just ask them for us the best thing. What they would think about a wedding, somebody coming from America, want to surprise her so much. My brother-in-law want to surprise him so much. So at the end of the day, when they come up with that idea, I'm just say, alright then, that's cool with me.
Yeah, for real. Guys, listen, when we reached the poolside, we thought it was actually another area for somebody else. We never even knew that was a part of the whole wedding setup. You understand what I'm saying? Yo, on the edge of the pool, you have man a jerk chicken. Another station, the people have jerk a steamed fish. You understand what I'm saying? Beer things, that's why I come out our wedding dress. Because afterwards now, after our wedding dress, bath suit and a pair things that go on afterwards. Yo, I say, yo, John, the wedding at different levels. You know what I mean? So I'm backtrack a little bit because I get tired of ourselves. So, on the actual day now for the wedding, you understand? Come so forget ready and when I call my barber start, the man I say never even know say, other day there was the wedding, they make other plans and everything. So Junior say, yo, don't worry yourself, man, you know what I mean? Whether the man make 2 phone call quick and fast, the people them come on my yard, come cut me here. You understand me? I say, different thing the man depend me. I say, yo,
brother-in-law ever.
Trust me, I say, yo, God know me. I say, I wonder if not I think say the brother have a brother. You see me? I say, God, the man I go hard. So Junior, how you put that together though?
Yeah, because as you know, when they are Jamaican, you roll them way there. You have a lot of friends from all different directions. So to get a barber, you just call the next man, and the next man call the next man.
Yeah.
You give them a little thing, and the man will even take taxi. If he can't drive, he take a taxi come at the place.
Straight.
So that's how you make them look a linkage there.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? A man call the next man, and the next man call the next man.
For real.
So everything where you want to know, it is Jamaica.
Definitely. Yo guys, you don't need a brother-in-law like this. Big man thing. I tell you the thing and normal. So we are getting to the final stages of it now, so we have to wrap it up, right? Because me I tell you say after the wedding now, yo, we are pack up with things now and I say, yo, we are go back a little yard now, okay? Don't know. We never have the honeymoon set up.
Man.
You understand me I say? Right. Oh, you want to tell them about the honeymoon part?
Honey, you have to tell them about that if you want them, man.
Yo! So yo, the man just come down, the man say, yo, him give me an envelope, you see me? And the man give me the envelope, now we fly the envelope. I don't know, money and so I say, yo, what go on, you know what I mean? Yo, plane ticket, Bahamas, the thing there. You see me, I say Atlantis and beer things. You see me, I say, yo, I say the man come like say, him get you married.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
One full week, all
Straight.
inclusive,
I
straight.
just a dream come true. Believe me, it's just a dream come true.
Yeah.
Because as I tell you, say, it's just a surprise. That means after the honeymoon, after them get married, the ring go on and everything, at least them can hold on these little things to carry them through the next level.
Man.
And the next level, sit here now, about 13 years now we get married.
Yeah, 12 years ago,
12
when I'm
years,
13.
I'm going
years.
at 13.
Yeah,
so
man.
at least then, when struggle time come, they can hold on to them little thing, them man, and say, watch it. You know, so I'm not going to let down my brother-in-law because him spend so much. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. So, overall, Junior, how much everything costs?
Well, but remember said the Range Rover and anything, remember that was our gift.
Right, oh
Yeah,
yeah,
the Range
talk to them. Yo, we know how we done
So
the
we came
honeymoon.
back from the trip and whatever for the honeymoon and Ray. So when they come at the airport, it's a Range Rover. So I said, you know, like your Range Rover. I say, him hand with the key. And I said, this is a wedding gift. I'm like, no, Junior, I can't accept this because you already don't do so much for you already and whatever. And I said, no man, this is a wedding gift. This is my gift personally to you guys. Yo, nobody never drive the Range Rover there yet. Brand new. May I say, yo, Junior.
Trust me, my thing, man.
But the total cost, we can disclose the total cost because we don't want to look for me a different way.
Yeah.
You understand me I say? But it's a long time saving. You understand me I say?
So I just
But
see if it's good.
nice.
Just continue to save. Work hard. You work hard, you save and them little thing there. You understand me I say? But that's
Right.
what I say. Nothing never gonna be too expensive when we couldn't bless you with because that's what I tell you say, you're my son.
Yeah.
You understand me I say? Me can just tell that say one son, a two son me have. You have a brother.
Yeah.
So two son and one daughter.
True.
So at the end of the day, it can't be too expensive.
Well, a big move. I tell you, so we really appreciate it. And as what Junior said, guys, we know say him invest so much in a way. Every time we go through some rough times, we have that to pull back on, and even for no say, yo, we can't let down the man because the man got extremely hard. You understand me?
Too much.
So, yeah, so we have to put that extra work in because not only we alone want we to succeed, other people out there want to succeed. So we have to put in that work. You understand me? I say? So we'll wrap it up here now, Star. Only have anything to say in the final and the closing?
Junior, I just want to say thank you so much. You're the real G.
Definitely. Yeah, Junior, I don't know, man. I always tell you, say, yo, I respect the whole Energy Star. So, you have anything to tell the people, Junior?
Well, the only thing we can say now, when you get married, man, try and endeavor best to hold on to something. You understand what I say? If you don't have the money, hold on to something that you bring you through.
Definitely.
You can't just say love and pretty face and everything because them things will change one day. You understand what I say?
Definitely.
But just hold on to something that don't to bring it to the next level.
Mad.
You understand what I say?
Guys, when you hear that, real way. You understand me? I say, subscribe to Papi Show because we do some amazing things over here. Returning subscribers, big up on yourself and like that video. You understand me? I say, and here we want to do. We say everything on the ear in that video, leave a comment down at the bottom about it. Every part of it on the ear, just
Want
leave
to
a
blow
comment.
up the comment section.
You understand me? I
for
say,
now,
and big up Junior, make sure that everybody who watch this right now, leave a comment, #Junior. You see me? Either #Junior, #brother-in-law. Big up yourself. You understand me? I say?
Best brother-in-law ever.
Straight.
You're blessed.
So guys, until next time, Papi Show love you know. Big up on yourselves, in. Alright.
He's
The
a small
party
blessing.
we're not put the party next to, but message. So what do you think about it?
God is here put that same way. But yes, no.
What do you think about the story?
Yeah, it's a good story now. It's a good story.
The limousine and all these things.
Yeah, it's a good story because as I'm saying now.
But we can just work with it though.
Yeah, but you
You
surprised me.
cover with your man.
Well, you surprised me now. Coming up because you don't ask me. But you don't tell me something about the wedding itself.
And then when
So
they
they
sell
wouldn't
me
have-
talk about. And then when they sell me talk about, man.
So what do you think of this?
Me the chicks say now you said, how many acting at the wedding? And me the nervous and never nervous. Because me they say when they tell me that, me say, boy, but you come far away now though because the time they were so shy.
Yeah.
But now me see you on the TV now and you look like He's a superstar now, man. Them shine is over.
You just work with the program.
Some just work with the program.
Straight. So Junior, what I said though, what the thing, what shocked you most about what we say?
When?
Yeah, the thing where we are talking about.
Yeah, the whole limousine thing and I maybe I want next junior. You understand me? So that's what I said. Oh, maybe I want next junior still.
You think about next junior we're talking?
Yeah, when I said that junior, yeah, that. So that's what I said. Yeah, that. So I said, what?
You just work with it.
I just work with it because I realized that now I'm a attack. You understand me? Because I'm a attack.
How many people see that gas on you?
Yeah, but best you say junior, but you never say. You talk about from airport to the limousine and everything. Give me a rundown.
A heads up.
You understand me? I say, but when you say junior now, I say, you know, junior name come on in Jamaica. So, maybe I want next junior like that, but I thought it was something set up, brother.
All right.